everyone. Today we are on lesson 7.4, and that is on page 279 in your colored math books. We are learning how to subtract fractions using models. Last lesson we learned how to add. Today we're going to learn how to subtract. And you do it the same way you just subtract. So if you got yesterday's lesson, you should get today's pretty easy. And if you didn't get yesterday's lesson, this will be a review just in subtraction. So the question asks, how can you subtract fractions with like denominators using models? And remember yesterday we did how can you add fractions. Today we're subtracting. Last lesson we added. So let's see what the problem is. All right, let me pull it out for us. A rover needs to travel 5/8 miles to reach its destination. It has already traveled 3/8 miles. How much further does the rover need to travel? So the question's asking us how much further does it need to travel? All right, it needs to travel 5/8 to reach its destination. It has already traveled 3/8. So, shade the model. Shade the model to show the difference. Then shade the model to show shade the model to show the total difference. Then shade the model to show how much distance the rover has already covered. So, they did it easy for me. You're going to have to shade yours. All right. So, here, I should do this all the way. Sorry. There you go. So, here, 5/8 was the total, what they needed to travel to reach the destination. 3/8 was how much they've already traveled. So the difference is right here. How much is the difference? What isn't shaded? How much further do they have to travel? If they've traveled all this, they still need to travel this much. What's the difference? 2/8. Because remember, they have to travel this one and that one to get to all the way till its destination. Here's its destination. And it needs to travel 2/8 more. Write the difference. So 5/8 minus 3/8 equals, if your bottoms are the same. Right, I'm probably think you're singing the song. If the bottoms are the same, subtract your tops. Yesterday or in the lesson before we did, if the bottoms are the same, add your tops. But today, if the bottoms are the same, you just subtract your tops. So it's just 8. 5 minus 3 is 2. If your bottoms are the same, subtract your tops. 5 minus 3 is 2. So the rover needs to travel 2/8 miles further. All right, let's go to the next one. Sam ordered a small pizza, which was cut into 6 equal slices. He ate 2/6 of the pizza and put the rest away for later. How much of the pizza did he put away for later? So, they drew the model for you. It has 6 equal slices. He ate 2/6. How much of the pizza did he put away for later? Find 1 minus 2/6. What's another way to think about 1? Another way to think about 1 is 6 sixths minus 2 sixths. Remember, 6 sixths equals a whole. So the first thing they want us to do is shade the whole. Let's shade it some pizza-y color. I think this is red. It'll look like some sauce on it. Woo! A little crazy there. All right, we know my coloring abilities, if you watched my other lessons, are sometimes not the greatest. But I try. Alrighty, I'm not gonna waste your time trying to make it perfect, but that's good. So that's how much he started with. Now, what did he do? He ate 2 sixths of it. So he ate this piece, 1 6, gone in his belly. And he ate another 6, gone in his belly. So he ate 2 sixths of the pizza. Cross out the part Sam ate. So I just shaded it in. He ate those 2. They're gone. See you later. Oops. Tried to push the think. He ate 2 sixths of the pizza. He ate 2 6 size parts. 2 of those parts are gone. He ate them. How many 6 size parts are left? So how many does he have left? He has 1, 2, 3, 4. He has 4. So Sam put 4 sixths of the pizza away for later. He put all this away. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 6. All right. So that was one model we used. Here was another model. That one we colored the whole thing in and then we crossed out what he ate. Here we showed where the rover needed to get to, what he already traveled, and then figured out the difference. So that would answer the question, how can you subtract fractions with like denominators using models? We did 2 different examples. If you have any questions, let me know. See you guys in class. Bye.